God bless you and welcome to the second annual Freedom Gospel Church Festival and Fair. We invite you, while time is still running, to enjoy and celebrate with us 8 years of ministry in SL, celebrating the gospel of Jesus Christ. At this time, we have DJ Urban King Burner on the ones and twos, spinning it as only he knows how, along with his backup troupe, the Angels. Come down and enjoy a festive time with everyone. There's food, rides, games galore, and a very festive time for all. This is Pastor Balladeer Christensen, alongside my co-laborer in Christ, and the woman I call my real-life and SL wife, Shaltina Cordozo, inviting you to celebrate the goodness of the Lord here at the second annual Freedom Gospel Church Festival and Fair. We'll see you here soon, and God bless you.